In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add an essay question to a quiz in Moodle quiz module. You'll need to be in Moodle, you'll need to be in the class and the module that contains the quiz to which you want to add this question. Once you find the quiz, click on it, and as a teacher you'll come to the screen that is asking you to attempt the quiz now if you already have at least one question in the quiz. You cannot get to the editing screen right from here. So you'll have to go to your sidebar and under Settings, click the Edit Quiz button. This will take you to the quiz editing page, and since there are questions already present, you scroll down to the last question and then click Add a Question. The type of question that we want to add is an essay question, and then we'll click Next. The category is important. If you want this essay question to be available for other quizzes or tests later on, you want to leave this probably in the default category for that class. If it's only important that it be specified as a quiz question for this quiz, select that quiz as the default category. Question name is usually a number, but you can put a descriptive name here. It'll take text. I'm going to call this question number 5. The question text is going to be the prompt basically for the essay. So I'm going to type in here, what is your favorite ice cream and why? Now I don't have to type only text. By using the little tree icon, I can insert an image. By the little film strip icon, I can insert media. I can insert special characters by clicking on this Greek letter, and you can see that there are a variety of mathematical symbols, non-American English characters, and other symbols that may be of use, particularly to science and math and foreign language teachers. And by selecting the little table icon, I can insert a table and specify how many columns and rows are going to be in my table, insert it, and then fill it with data. The default mark is 1. That's usually where you want to keep it. And if you're not sure if you want it to be worth 1 point, you can always leave it at 1 and change it in the general quiz editing page. You can choose your response format to be either HTML editor, which is the normal editor that we've seen when we do these quiz questions, HTML editor with a file picker so that the students can upload a file, plain text, or plain text with a monospaced font. HTML editor is probably going to be the best one, or file picker if you want the students to select items from outside of Moodle and bring them in. The input box size you get to specify how long of an essay do you want, 15 lines, 5 lines, up to 40 lines, and you can either allow or not allow attachments. If you were a professor or worked in a large department and had TAs, you could put information for the graders, what are the criterion, the rubric by which this essay will be graded. That would go in this box, but for a high school teacher or elementary school teacher, probably you're just going to know that information on your own or have it written down somewhere else. When you've created your essay question, just click Save Changes. This will take you back to your quiz editing page, and you have a preview button that will allow you to take a look at what the students are going to see. Clicking on the preview button, I see what the students are going to see. An HTML editing box and the question, what is your favorite ice cream and why? If I fill in correct responses, I get an empty page. So what that means is you're going to have to grade these things by hand. I'll close the preview. The editing button is always available. If you made some mistake or want to change something, just click the editing button and then go back and change what you need to change, and then click Save Changes. So that's how you can insert an essay question into a quiz using Moodle Quiz Module.